Good morning. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today we are doing Unit 1 Communication Skills. First topic is Methods of Communication. Before learning methods of communication, we must learn what is communication. Communication is the process of sending and receiving messages through different means. It means how can we convey our message from one person to another? What is our communication medium? And we can say communication is the act of transferring information between two individuals or within a group to reach a common understanding. There are different types of communication, methods of communication. First is verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and visual communication. Let's learn one by one. Advantages of verbal communication. Before learning this, I must tell you what is verbal communication. Verbal communication is a type of communication wherein the message is transmitted through the words. In this, language plays a very important role in this type of communication. First advantage is it saves time. It is a cheaper way of communication, hence save money. The sender gets feedback as to whether his intended message is received in his intended form or not. It doesn't need an external material to convey the message. It provides complete understanding of the communication delivered. It helps to maintain secrecy about a matter. And disadvantages of verbal communication. It may lead to missing some messages if the conversation is lengthy. The message may not be understood clearly due to language barrier. There is a chance of leak of secret information with the help of modern devices. It may be difficult to understand the message due to poor connectivity. And effective components of verbal communication are language proficiency. Knowledge of good grammar helps in good communication. It helps to express our thoughts clearly and effectively. Vocabulary. It helps in the selection of suitable words in various situations. Listening is a key component of our learning process. Awareness. Being aware of our surroundings gives us the confidence to communicate with conviction. Expertise. The expertise in the chosen area makes us well informed about the latest happenings. Now, what is non-verbal communication? Non-verbal communication is when information is exchanged without using spoken or written words. We can say that non-verbal communication is the process of communication through wordless message. There are various non-verbal communication methods. First is body movements, like hand gestures, nodding, shaking the head, arm crossing, and leg crossing. They also reflect the feelings and attitude. Eye contact. It determines the level of trust and trustworthiness. Staring and blinking are essential non-verbal behaviors. Posture. It is the way we stand or sit, whether arms are crossed, and so on. For example, talking to someone with arms crossed may indicate your rigid attitude. Gestures are the deliberate body movement that help in communication. For example, waving the hand means saying goodbye or biting the nails indicate you are nervous. Facial expression shows 7 basic human emotions: anger, contempt, playfulness, disgust, fear, happiness, sadness, and surprise. Psychological changes. These are often associated with anxiety and discomfort. Advantages of non-verbal communication. Information can be easily presented using silent means, and the message from non-verbal interaction is received by the recipient very fast. And what are the disadvantages? Lengthy discussion are not possible in non-verbal communication, since in this type of communication, gesture, facial expression, eye contact, touch are used for communication. So sometimes it might be difficult for some people to understand them correctly. Visual communication. Visual communication, it involves sending and understanding message only through images or pictures. There are some advantages of visual communication. First is visual communication through signs and symbols communicate message faster than written or oral message. It adds variety to the visual communication supports information by bringing attention to the information directly. It also adds variety to the communication process. The visuals are known to register in the brain very quickly. As visual communication is based on visual picture, graph, sign that can be seen, it may be quite eye-catching for the mass audience. Disadvantages of visual communication. It has a limited scope as all topics cannot be presented through visual communication. It cannot display each and every detail. Drawing graphs, pictures, charts requires techniques that are expensive. Recap. In verbal communication, we use words either orally through spoken communication or in written form through printed or digital media like books, magazine and emails. In non-verbal communication, we use body language, gestures and the tone and pitch of voice. In visual communication, it includes the use of logos, maps, charts or graphs as means of communication. Thank you for today.